iodine deficiency is a big problem in the United States. Another medical doctor that we were able to talk to, Dr. Murray Buzz Susser, shares his insight.
What's a good diet that you would recommend to your patients that may be compromised because they've been eating crap their whole life?
Well, no sugar, and then the other thing is no sugar. The other thing is no sugar.
Okay.
We said before that the vitamins, that the cancer cells consume sugar at about 19 times as fast as healthy cells.
Yes.
So then the question is, no junk. Wholesome foods. You can eat animal foods. I don't believe in the vegetarian diet. Some people do. I've seen people who really seem to waste away on vegetarian diets.
Yeah.
I think you could do a low meat diet, but you got to have enough protein to rebuild your cells.
Sure.
And so you need some animal foods, I believe. Well, you could probably do it. What was a diet for a small planet? It was one of the first nutritional books about cancer and about nutrition in general. That if you combine beans and grains, you can get a complete protein. Because vegetarian proteins never have all the amino acids that you need. But if you combine beans and grains, then you can have both. So if you're going to try to do something low animal food, read Diet for a Small Planet, okay, and be sure that you get enough of the broad spectrum of amino acids. There are 20 or 22, depending on who you believe, amino acids that are essential to our body. Now, all but about 8 of them we can make ourselves. So 8 or arguably 10,
right.
Depending on who
the jury's out on that still.
Yeah, which you wouldn't think in this day and age it would be.
Right.
But let's say you need 10 amino acids that are considered to be essential because we can't make them. We have to eat them. And so if we have a complete diet of amino acids, all the good fatty acids, the omega-3, the omega-6, omega-9 in the right proportion, and then of course good starches. One of the best foods is watercress.
Watercress.
Yeah, it's high in sulforaphane.
Okay.
Sulforaphane are plant enzymes that are plant hormones actually that fight infection, that fight damage. So when you crush a plant, it releases sulforaphanes. So sulfur is one of the best ways to fight invaders like cancer or infection.
Gotcha. Watercress.
Watercress is like arugula.
Okay.
Those are the cruciferous vegetables.
Sure.
And so I like those, and you can overdo those also because then they start binding iodine, and your thyroid gets depleted.
Okay.
Iodine, by the way, is another important item that we're very neglectful of. I treat almost every one of my patients with iodine.
Okay.
The recommended daily allowance of iodine is 160 micrograms. I have a product that has 20 milligrams per drop, SSKI.